I'm faulty.
And this is week 1 of our Lindy Hop classes at the Savoy. So what we started with is 8-count footwork. So we'll do it this way, maybe. Followers starting on the right, leaders starting on the left, on the side. So the whole basic look like this. We have rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Walk, 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 walk. So that's our 8-count basic. Then we partner it up.
My arm comes underneath.
My arm goes up top, rest on your shoulders.
Yes, the hand, get the hand, take a deep breath. Relax.
And we do our basics together.
Find groove.
Find the groove.
Here we go. Here we go. Go.
So it's the mirror image of each other. Then we did the followers pop out.
I use my right arm, have my follower out front, and then bring it right back. Show you that again. Here comes the pop out. I use my right arm, got it up, bring my partner back.
Show it from another angle so you can see what the followers are doing. We have rock, step, triple step, back, side. So our whole basic kind of goes back to the side, back to the side. Then we did a promenade. So starting like the pop out, but continuing. Triple, walk, walk, triple. Followers go.
We extend out the arm, come back to the side.
And then we did the break.
Just like this. 5, 6, here we go. A rock, step, break. A shake, 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 a rock, step, break. A shake, shake, shake,